Hey guys, how's it going? Rigo here. We got Olivia and Violet. I don't think you guys have met Violet. These are the girls. So we can start appearing with me a little bit more. Olivia, you gonna say hi?
Hi.
Violet, you gonna say hi? Violet's a little shy. So why are we here today? So today we got a package from Chefwear actually. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what we got in there. Alright, so a couple things about Chefwear. They actually they make pretty much everything I wear in the kitchen. All my aprons, coats. There's definitely something in there. So all my coats, aprons, pants, shoes, literally everything they make for me. It's a good bag. So first things first, I always get their brand new catalogs. I like taking these everywhere I go, pretty much all the restaurants I work at, all the chefs I meet. So I always get their catalog. It has everything that's new in there. So all their new coats, all their new pants, pretty much everything they carry is all in here. That's good for me. I like to go talk to people, show them what they got. Oh, they was gonna go potty. So we'll be right back. And we're back. So like I was saying, catalog, it's always a must. So it looks like I have three things in here actually. I got a apron, which I will open shortly. A pair of the best chef pants I've ever owned in my life. And one of my favorite coats. Alright, starting off the top, we got the apron. This is their ranch style apron, which I've actually never owned one like these. These are the ones that have the little cross in the back. So they're pretty much just, you know what, I'll just put it. Yeah, so the different thing with these aprons is they go to the back, they don't hang around your neck, which are pretty neat. I've never owned one of these, so I've heard great things about them. One of my old chefs, pretty much this is all he wore. So the main difference is this right here. So the way you strap it, it's not on you, it's pretty much all the weight gets distributed evenly pretty much. Secondly, they have their modern fit jackets. These are their primary chef jackets. They're pretty much not as bulky, not as loose as your normal jackets. I'll probably end up throwing it on right now too so you guys can get a nice idea of what it looks like.
No.
You like it? You want one too? So as you can see, the main thing with these jackets, normal chef jackets are big, bulky. Especially Chef actually does sell slim ones, but I'm not a small guy, so I like mine fitted, but not super loose. That's what they are. They're not as bulky as normal chef jackets, so that's why I really dig these. And the other thing I really love are these pants. I think this is my third set I own now. So no chef pants, same thing. They're super bulky. So these are their another modern fit chef pants. So they're a little bit more snug. They're not as big and bulky, but what I really like, one of the small things is chef pants normally only have one pocket. These have two, and they're stretchy. So they're like chef pants that are stretchy, but they got a knob, belt loop, so you can actually still wear a belt and be fitted. So sometimes after work, I just wear these out to the store and whatever. So they're a great set of bottoms. And that's pretty much it. I think we got everything. So yeah, again, Chefwear, thank you for everything. I love my apron. It's gonna be one of my new favorites. That actually reminds me a lot of the market style apron, which is one of my personal favorites. I'll post a picture of it right now. There you go. And yeah, it's just great quality. I've already had that apron for over a year, almost 2 years, and it's still holding up. Looks brand new. It's just got it dirty, got some bleach on it, but still great. So I'm sure these are gonna last me another good while. And yeah, don't forget to check them out, guys. I'll put the link and everything under. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Olivia, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Vale, you want to say bye? Right, so be in the chat. Should we get her to say bye? Vale, you gonna say bye? You gonna say bye? No.
Bye.
Alright, later, guys.